In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite people to your alliance in Whiteout Survival game. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up the game and sign into your account. From here, we need to go ahead and click on that little alliance button at the bottom of the page. From here, we need to click onto the settings or gear icon, bottom right hand corner of the page here. And then to invite people, we've got this option here in blue that says invite. So go ahead and click onto that. So we can scroll down here and invite these people to my alliance. Or if there's a particular person you'd like to add, just go ahead and enter their name and then go ahead and add them manually. So for example, if I want to go ahead and add this person here, Snowlord 51527, I'm going to click on their name and then click on the invite button. Then it'll say confirmation invite chief to your alliance. Click on confirm, and now the alliance invite is going to be sent, and then it's just up to that person to go ahead and accept that alliance request or to join our alliance.